Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are. Do enjoy the video, and guess what? We're going to go ahead and just dive right into a few things. Let's see. Let me turn this around. There, we'll flip myself upside down. We're going to go ahead and try to dive into, see, hold on, we're moving you around. Nobody's perfect, just to let you know. Camera, videos, is that a word? But we're going to show you benchmarks on what I have here. I did tell you that I'm going to start the next off with the build down, but what I want to do is I want to turn around and do something a little bit different. I want to benchmark this computer on 3D Mark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up 3D Mark, and then I'm going to bring y'all around so you can see what I got going on. So far, so good. We're going to go ahead and let it load and get its groove on. So just bear with me one moment. Alright, we're going to turn you around and let you see the benchmarks. Ugh, this camera is really bugging the hell out of me. Alrighty. We're just going to do this a bit differently. We're going to go ahead and just run it, and you're going to see the full envision of the running. And y'all do remind me to get a better camera. To me, I'm pretty impressed with the computer, even though that, you know, it takes maybe 15 seconds a little bit longer, but that's due to the graphics. That's not due to the processor. So, but I'm going to let y'all see Time Spy. think it's going really well, truthfully. I mean, that's bodacious just for a processor, Vega 7 graphics. A little bit choppy, but not much. And the GPU is staying at about maybe 106 degrees Fahrenheit, and the CPU is staying at about 111 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't believe me, let me move you over to this. So it's definitely pegged out. It's running at 4200 megahertz. The memory's running at 1800 megahertz. The GPU is running at 2200 megahertz. I think it's running really well. Some people might think differently because, you know, it's running a little slow for their taste, but for my taste, going from an i5 2400 Dell computer to this is gold to me. RAM usage is at about 5 gigs of RAM. And the CPU is only running at 4 to 5, it says only 4 to 5%. The GPU is running at 100%. So basically the CPU is not being fully utilized. But truthfully, I'm happy with the performance and result of this $350 computer. Now, if you were to go on eBay, and with eBay, you're only getting, for a $350 computer, half of what this computer is, graphics wise and everything else, for the same price. So, my opinion, I like it. The games I play, I don't play, you know, these what do you say, like Dota 2 and stuff like that. I play on Steam. I play Eve. I play Eve on Steam. That gets me at 60 FPS. Solid. Now, you know, I play online 3D games, which gives me about 200 to 220 FPS. Here's the results coming up. Let's see what the results are. That's on Time Spy. That's not bad compared to there's no graphics card here. Okay. Now let's go to, since y'all seen that, let's go to Night Raid. That's got a DirectX 12. Let's run that. And see what this does. Yay! I'm happy with this computer. But believe it or not, you can upgrade with this computer too. You think that I can stay with the Ryzen 5 5600G? No. I basically, shoot. Let me me put it this way. Compatibility with the Asus 450M.A 2. The processor compatibility is that I can run all Ryzen 5 from the 5600G all the way up with Ryzen 5. Ryzen 7, I should be able to run the Ryzen 7 5700G, the 5800X. I'm not sure about the Ryzen 9. If the VRMs will handle it, but it should handle the Ryzen 7, some of the Ryzen 7. From what I've read on the pages from different reviewers, they said it should run that. So. If you're liking this video, like and subscribe. You know, still new. This is my second video, but do like and subscribe if you will. Check this out. It says 40 FPS. That's sick. I know the camera doesn't do well in lighting, and I'm going to have to work on that. So, next video I'll move the lights around so it's not shining so brightly on my setup, so y'all know. But anywho, as you can see, I forgot I had to turn the sound off. I'm not sure about that audio thing with YouTube, but I don't want to get strikes on my videos because of it. So, in time I will add, you know, music that YouTube will allow. But I'm sure with this benchmark, they're not going to have a problem with it. If they do, they can contact me, and I'll be more than happy to fix up the video. So, we're getting down on time. I hope this hurries up. Y'all can see the ending of this and see the results. If not, then I'll have to cut part of this out and part of the other out and give you the final benchmarks. But we're getting pretty close. If not, then what I'll do is I'll tack this second part onto another video. But like I said again, like, subscribe, and of all, thank you all for your time and patience, and hope you like the video.